know, everything looks so gray and soggy. Even the flowers look sleepy today. I wish the sky had some color again. Wait, the rain's slowing down. Look, the clouds are opening. Wow, what's that shining up there? A rainbow, a real rainbow. Who painted those colors in the sky? It's like someone used a giant brush of light. I need to find out how that happens. Let's go on a color adventure. I'll write everything in my rainbow notebook. Notebook, crayons, umbrella, and my brave explorer heart. Ready? Ah, fresh air after rain smells so nice. The ground is shiny like tiny mirrors. And the rainbow. It's still there. So bright, so perfect. If sunlight and raindrops can make colors, maybe they're friends. Maybe the sun says, "Hey, raindrops, let's play." Boom! Color party. Okay, I'm going to ask the sun myself. Mr. Sun, did you make the rainbow? Oh, you say you work together with Raindrop? That's so cool. So light travels into drops of water, bends, bounces, and comes out in colors? That means every single raindrop is like a teeny tiny prism? Refraction, reflection. So many big words, but so much fun. It's like science and magic holding hands. Let's see if I can picture it. A bright beam of light enters a drop. Whoosh! Inside, it splits into red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. 7 friends hiding in one light. If I had rainbow powers, I'd paint the whole sky pink and gold. But nature already does it better. Hello, Raindrop. You look so shiny and sparkly. You say you catch sunlight and send it back to us? That's amazing. So you're like a little crystal artist, painting the clouds. Good job, Raindrop. Teamwork really makes the sky beautiful. Look at that rainbow now. It's glowing even brighter. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet too. These are the colors shining through. I love singing to my rainbow friends. Red is for roses, orange for fun, yellow's for sunshine, bright like the sun. Green for the trees, blue for the sea, indigo and violet, sparkle for me. Ta-da, the Rainbow Parade song. If colors could dance, they'd twirl just like this. Hey, sometimes I see 2 rainbows. One big, one faint. Oh, that must be a double rainbow. Double happiness. And did you know? At night, when the moon shines on raindrops, there can be a moonbow, a rainbow made by moonlight. That must be so magical and quiet. I'd love to see one. Okay, time for some rainbow science at home. You'll need 1 glass of water, a small mirror, and some sunshine. Place the mirror in the water. Now shine sunlight on it. Whoa, look at the wall, a tiny rainbow. I did it. My own homemade rainbow. Science is totally magical. Note to self, sunlight plus water plus mirror equals colors of happiness. You know, rainbows are kind of like life. Sometimes things look cloudy and sad, but if we wait, light finds a way in. Then colors appear again. Now I understand. Rainbows aren't painted. They're made by sunlight and raindrops working together. Teamwork really makes the sky colorful. Hey, maybe that's a lesson for me too. When I work with my friends, we can make our own rainbows of fun. Oh, did you know rainbows always appear opposite the sun? So if the sun's behind you, look straight ahead. That's where the rainbow hides. So friends, next time you see a rainbow, don't just look, wonder. Ask questions, smile, and remember the color's secret story. Keep looking up. There's always magic in the sky. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so we can explore more wonders together. Bye-bye. See you in the next adventure.